I thought it was helpful, and if I was still in this situation or in this situation again, which I really hope I'm not, I would definitely contemplate using the service. It was helpful, and legal advice is really expensive, but it can be really necessary. And getting the basics down is helpful to help you figure out what the next step you want to take is. I could see it for employment because there have been times way back when I was a youth, I did have an employer withhold wages, and I wound up going to, I don't remember, whatever I did, it was whatever California's thing is, and they wound up having to pay me. But ooh, I would use the cannabis app too. That's really interesting because I used to work in the industry in California before 215 passed, which was the legal marijuana, medical marijuana there. And they have some really crazy rules, and they're so different here. I would just say if they were trying to figure out legal advice, and I'm not a lawyer. I mean, my grandma worked for a personal injury attorney when she raised me, but doesn't mean I know much. I would suggest that, if you can't afford someone but you need advice, why don't you at least try this? They can help you figure out what you want to do, and they're a lot cheaper. Possibly. I mean, I used the bar referral system before, and I didn't necessarily know anything anymore about that attorney than I do when I'm with the text a lawyer. But with Google, you could always Google and see what information you could find about this particular lawyer before you retain them. So I don't see any reason why not to. Never hurts to get advice, especially something in the legal field, because it's a really complex field, and having someone who knows it give you some information gives you a better starting point to decide what you want to do to resolve whatever the issue is.